Heartbeat code revealed. You ever get the feeling someone, or something, is syncing up to your very heartbeat? For weeks, the apartment across from mine would flicker its lights in perfect time with my pulse, like it was reading me from afar. I thought it was just a weird electrical thing until tonight, when my heart sped up from a nightmare, but the lights didn't follow, they pulsed slower, like a countdown. I pressed my hand to my chest, but the rhythm from the window stayed steady, even as my own heart raced. Suddenly, I realized the pattern was a message, spelling out my apartment number in Morse code. The last flicker ended with total darkness, and a soft knock echoed at my door.